Congratulations on the purchase of your new Kia Picanto. Here's just a quick video to get you up to speed on some of the internal features of this car. On the right hand side here by the door panel, we have our mirror adjustment settings. These arrows adjust the positioning of the mirrors to whichever position you like. We then have our window locking switch, we have our central locking, and our 4 automatic electric window switches. To our steering wheel then, we have a multi-functioning steering wheel. So on the right hand side we can change our dash display settings behind, as you can see. Then on the left hand side we have our multimedia functions, so we can accept or decline calls using these buttons. We can adjust the volume on our radio by flicking up or down, and we also have a mute button for our radio. The most common question we get on our new cars is how to connect our Bluetooth devices. So on the Picanto, you click the phone button here on the left hand side, then you will click 1 to add a new device, and then when you go to your phone you will see the Kia Motors device at the bottom. You click on that, then you click pair, and you will click 1 here as well to pair on the screen, and then allow your contacts to sync and your hands-free device is ready to use. Coming underneath then, we have our fan buttons here. So we have the, where the fan will blow using these options here, so that's at the windscreen. We then have the power, and then we also have the heat. We have 2 charging stations in this car, so we have a USB port and a 12-volt charging station. We also have an auto stop-start feature just here in front of the gearbox. We have a 5-speed gearbox and a standard handbrake. If you have any further questions on your Kia Picanto, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.